Sarah Keable hija Ingliża li ġiet Malta 11-il darba, flimkien ma' żewġa toqgħod dejjem fl-istess lukanda u l-istess kamra u dejjem tara illi żżur Kemmuna. Hemm tmur għall-ispirazzjoni biex tkun tista' toħroġ b'idejat għad-ditta ta' ħwejjeġ li tmexxi li jisimha saħansitra iħaddan l-isem Kemmuna. Iltqajna magħha waqt li kienet Malta, irrakkontat ir-reazzjoni tagħha meta żaret Kemmuna għall-ewwel darba.
Breathtaking. When we arrived from our speedboat trip and got off the boat, the breathtaking views, how clear the sea was, just the whole ambience of the island, and just kind of it put the whole brand together, and it's what made Kemmuna couture.
Minn meta kienet żgħira interessat ruħha fil-moda. Bdiet taħdem ma' kumpanija tar-riklamar u mbagħad marret għall-loġistika ma' kumpanija tal-kosmetiċi. Issa timpjega lil xi ħadd jiddisinja l-ħwejjeġ ispirati mill-gżira Maltija, però bdiet tiddisinja hi wkoll. Żewġa wkoll huwa involut fil-moda din id-darba fid-dinja tal-makeup u l-kosmetiċi. Issa l-koppja interessati jibdew iġibu lejn Malta ammont ferm ikbar ta' ħwejjeġ. L-interess mill-Maltin qiegħed jiżdied.
I've had some huge interest from the Maltese people. In the UK, we've had a great following. We have very high celebrities in the UK who have been wearing the Kemmuna brand.
L-istil jissejjaħ vintage, fjuri, fosos u kuluri. Fost iċ-ċelebritajiet hemm il-preżentatriċi Denise Van Outen u it-tfajliet li jidhru fuq is-serje The Only Way is Essex. L-ordnijiet online jaslu ħafna mill-Awstralja, forsi għax imħajra mill-isem Malta u anka mill-Istati Uniti. Malta għal żewġa Robert Keable tibqa' unika.
One other thing about Malta is that I've watched while I've been on holiday is that I think there's a lot of trust in Malta. And I think Malta is actually a country that I would feel more inclined to take a risk in than maybe some other countries.
Però Sarah Keable tajt li donnu r-riskju ma jieħduhx in-nisa Maltin fl-għażla ta' ħwejjeġ li jilbsu.
I think they are quite safe in fashion. I see a lot of the Maltese girl wearing this kind of the same colours, and I think it's great to express yourself through colours, and I think maybe they should wear a few more colours.
Kelma ta' ispirazzjoni minn Sara. Il-moda mhux qegħdem biex issegwiha iżda biex toħloqha. U xi kultant l-ispirazzjoni tiġi mill-ġmiel naturali illi toffri Malta.
I think the biggest trend now isn't about following fashion. I think it's about making your own fashion.